In every language, there are ways in which people use sounds in order to express certain meanings. Sounds such as meaning agreement, or meaning disagreement, or representing exasperation. Today, I will attempt to reproduce some of the sounds made only by Koreans. Today the goal is to sound like a native Korean, trying to reproduce some of the sounds that native Koreans make that will make me sound like a Korean. And I will do so by trying to reproduce the sounds made in a video that was posted on Facebook by a girl named Your Designer Yugi. So here are the sounds that only Koreans make. 한국 사람들만 내는 소리. Number 1, 차 or 치. 아. 맞다. 아빠. 아이고. 아이씨가 놀고 자빠졌네. 아이고 보자. 아이고. The sound 에이씨 몰라. 습. 진짜. 진짜. 확. 그냥. That's it. That concludes this craziness. And now, you too can sound like a native Korean speaker. I don't know if I did. Probably not. But it was a fun attempt. If you enjoyed this little silliness and you would like to see more, make sure to hit the like button on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell for notifications to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. That's it, finished?